WittyCTV coming at you with a banger, and today we're gonna look at some water toys. So we got water toys, water squirters, all that came in fast food, Happy Meal toys. Let's get into it. So we got one of these and one of these, both from 1994. So this one's a water gun, this one is a water cannon. So I'm assuming this one shoots harder, more powerful. And I got some good old water right here. This is the water gun. Kind of look like a hockey puck. Oh, snap. So you suck the water in, push it out. This is the water cannon. Suck the water in, push it out. So we got the water. Pull it up. Got the cannon right here. Barely. Cannon. Ouch. It's from Arby's. Water squirter. Whatever that is. And on this one, you pour the water through the top and push the button. Fill it up with water. Close the top. Not doing nothing. Now it is. So this one is way stronger than these garbage. We got Flounder, a Little Mermaid from 1993. Gosh, that's old. Alright, Flounder here comes with whatever that is. We all had these. You just squeeze it. It sucks up the water. Push it back out. Water! You want to squeeze the air out. Dip it inside. Oh yeah, you heard that? Okay. Last but not least, we got the good old Nerf. Nerf Super Soaker. Alright, this one works similar to the green one. Pour it through the top. Wetting my pants up. Close it. Test time. 3, 2. Yeah. So these are our shooters that we got. We got this green guy. It's pretty powerful. From Arby's. Flounder, 1993. Little Mermaid, of course. What the heck is that? We got a water gun and a water cannon. These was pretty old too, from 1994. Wasn't too powerful. And the good old Nerf. Let's test it out on Buzz Lightyear. We got Flounder. Ready, aim. Ready, aim, Flounder. Ain't doing nothing but shooting out miss right now. What the heck? Got the Nerf gun. Ready, aim. Pretty good job, pretty good job. That was the Nerf. Now we're going to try the water gun. Ready, aim. What the heck was that? That didn't do nothing. Let's try the water cannon. La-di-dee, la-di-dee-da. Ready, aim. Well, with these, you only get one shot, so you got to make it count. And I don't think I really got a good shot off. Ready, aim. Nothing. Trash. Let's try this green thingy. All right. It's filled up. Ready, aim. All right. All right. All right. All right. Headshot. 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 What a Nerf at? See what you got, Nerf. Headshot. 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 Double up. These two the best. Trash! And he just want to shoot out miss. Signing up.